Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi baye-WTV ovuselayo uProfessor CM Mkhulena ngihambe ngedwa bafethu ngihamba nale ndoda esahlanganisa idlozi kanenhliziyo zethu siyahlangana Bra KB indoda kamalume kabani bani ngiyasho bathi angisabazi ngiyabazi bafethu kodwa angikho lapho namhlanje ngithi bafethu nginilethele naku okunhle Bra KB eSwaziland bantu bakhalile bathi Prof we have opened ama-surgery kuphi eMaputo wa open kuphi mara thina la eSwatini kanti kangwane usabani ngikhona kangwane bafowethu nethi beningadi nini ngilapha kangwane Bra KB kangwane eSwaziland kamanzini but KB ngomhlazi u28 September until nge4 zaka October mara from nge28 until nge3 zaka October ngiyoba ngisiza wonke umuntu inhlobo wonke umuntu othi ngifuna ini naloti ngifuna inyoka le yaka 350 Prof uyoba ithola lapha eSwazini kodwa uyoba ithola ngemali ephansi 100k mangithe 100k umunye uzothi 100 rand ngikhuluma ngo-k ngisho ukuthi 1000 bafowethu azidlali cash esandleni especially siwu20,000 kuphela bafowethu esandleni indaba yokuregister nizoyibona kuma advert ukuthi kuregister kule special isimalini izoba khona advert elapha ku Tsokho TV ngoba niyazi bafowethu iTsokho TV sinje sinayo balandeli beWTV ngibonga ama subscriber ku Tsokho TV abasabangena bangisupporta nabo kudabula ngibonge futhi nabo bonke abalandeli bedabula nabo bonke abalandeli beTsokho TV for ukulalela nokungiseka ngaso sonke isikhathi ngivela kudabula bangiphindlebe ngivela ku Tsokho TV bangiphindlebe bangilalela ukuthi uProf uthini namhlanje bafowethu ipurpose ka Professor CM Mkhulena Bra KB ukuthi siphumeleleni sonke and then kubuye isidima sobunyanga not ukuganga ngabantu.
Prof, you say everything no hage. I mean, let's tell us say senor 350 but special 100,000 ipondo elisha elinkulu how much
ipondo elisha bafowethu nalo lihamba lapha ku 80k
or 80k
uyathatha ngiyakupha nje
so my boys
ama boys bafowethu kufuna sikhulume nje ngikuphe nawe nje for free 50k uthatha abafana uhambe uyosebenza uma ngabe ufuna bengabakho ngiyakuphulela 100k thatha abafana uyosebenza.
Okay, all right. And then everything else is just normal.
20,000.
Money. Not Myanmar. Fishermen and no fishermen is 20.
Yeah, everything. Nyanipha mi bantu bakangwane.
All right. But you're saying Guti, this is for everyone. South Africans can cross the border, bazo participate.
Yes, abantu baseSwazini, abantu base Africa yonke, South Africa. Sikhuluma ngithi ngile kangwane nithi hayi Prof ngoba kangwane situkutela nemalangeni angifuni malangeni bafowethu ngicela niphatha amarandi le bhokoza la ikhazi wazi amalangeni ziyaza amarandi so ngiphathela amarandi and asiswipe Bra KB asiyo swipe indaba yokuswipe sengiyayibulala why ngiyibulala Bra KB amadlozi umswipe bathi abasayizwisisi because of mina nami ngithathe sami isikhathi sokuyophahla ufaka imali yakhe ebank and then mina ngisaphahla lapha izinto zakusalela emuva so from vele nje from manje cash esandleni.
Okay,
yes,
okay, even after his special
cash esandleni ngani noma uza before special cash esandleni ukwazi ukusizakala ubeka imali yakho na self uzicelele lento oyifunayo amakhosi akwazi ukukhanyisela.
Yes, and now you have enough time to prepare.
Yeah, nalo wathi angana passport angina passport no isikhathi siningi passport ithatha only 1 week.
All right,
iphumile passport siyahlangana kamanzini uyafika uthola into zakho noma day limit yakho iphakamile ihlangana phiki ukhona umshini lapha eSwazini okhipha amarandi kuphela ufike ufake ushaya imali oyifunayo ukunikete utokutshela mawunganayo yasho lo mshini wakangwane uthi hayi sorry ngiyonaka ile mali oyifunayo ikude ayikho isikude so ungafika ukuthi hayi Prof ikhona yona iyokutshela mayithe kude ngeke iphindze ithi kusekukhona ithe kude.
But Prof, someone might say I mean I'll wait for the South African special after. Will there be a special like this in South Africa this year?
Yes, this year no.
Okay, all right, that's another thing.
Yeah,
I felt good we needed to confirm. All right, again, this way, okay, guys, from the 28th of September until the 3rd, the broader public on the 4th It's only abafundis. Only abafundis. So if ufuna uvula inkonzo yakho struggle, you want prophecy, you want other things that we cannot talk about lana on the camera, Prof Nge4th will be dealing with your case. The people that have called me and asked, this is your opportunity now. I know some people in some places that I cannot mention. I think you guys, if you see this thing, it's an opportunity for you. Prof, nyabo.
Bonga mina bafowethu ngithi ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe also to share also nokukhuluma bafowethu singathukana sihloniphaneni ma comment sikhulume ngendlela leyo utiva ngayo kodwa not ukuthukana amagama ajule kakhulu bafowethu ingakho sithi inhlonipho ibalekile ngoba nami ngiyahlonipha nami ngiyadinga ukuthi umuntu angihloniphe ngiyamhlonipha uBrakB nami ngiyadinga umuntu ukuthi amhloniphe uBrakB eziningibona ngehla ngaso sonke isikhathi kuBrakB nayo yazithoba mangimbiza uyasabela ngiyabonga Brakb qhubeka ngokwenza njalo ngithi noma bathi sokhuluma kakhulu khuluma bhuti ngoba usita sive ukuthi sive sibe nelwati lelijulile uyenzela bona lababukeli awuyenzeli laba bathe Brakb lona uthatha lokubuthatha udika iqiniso lize liphumelele siyabonga
guys